can't get the idle down below 1500 revs. That's what it is at the moment. It should be around 750, so it's twice what it should be, which makes it difficult to control here. Means I'm slipping the clutch.
So the grader only stops there. So he's gonna come back, possible not tomorrow, especially if it's continue raining like this. So possible in the next couple of days, next following days, because I think there's a tropical depression that makes this rain always rain. Although yesterday it didn't rain. Yeah, as you seen, that's the plow. That's a plow of Julio, which is ready for planting. I think cassava or sweet potato. Before when I was grow up, this is our corn area, corn plantation here. It's all the way up here because this is the lot of my auntie or my uncle, but they sold it to the mayor in Getafe. Yeah, so that's it, right?
No, it's not it.
Not yet. Just wait.
The worst part is to come now.
Yeah, where usually Terrence stuck up.
So we're in low four-wheel drive. But this is where the grader is really badly needed now. And what happens is you get pushed off. You get pushed off to the left, because you certainly don't want to get pushed off to the right, because that's into the rice fields. So we're trying to keep it in the middle of the road. Much easier said than done.
Remember, there is one time that Terrence is in the edge there, and then Manurado and Julio put some cement, some gravel to stop this truck falling down.
Now the worst thing possible has happened, and we might be walking. If I can't get out right here, no.
Our mirror is just new. Yeah, our mirror is new. We just bought last week because the last time Darren stuck up here, he broke the mirror.
No.
Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.
Close your
Stuck up,
windows,
stagnant,
guys.
walking in the rain. Have a good day and God bless. Bye bye.